Hello everyone, this is your friend Akki. Welcome to my channel Akki and Friends. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's learn about bird flu. These are the topics that we will cover today, like what is bird flu, what are the symptoms of bird flu, how we can prevent bird flu, types of bird flu, and how bird flu is caused. And we will learn some important facts about it. So let's get started. What is bird flu? Bird flu is also called avian influenza. Avian means bird and influenza means flu. It is a viral infection that can infect not only birds but humans and animals too. H5N1 is the most common form of bird flu. Now the second point is types of avian influenza A virus. First is LPAI, stands for low pathogenic avian influenza. Second is HPAI, stands for highly pathogenic avian influenza. Now the next point is how bird flu is caused. Bird flu occurs naturally among aquatic and migratory birds. What are migratory and aquatic birds? Aquatic and migratory birds are those birds which move from one place to another in search of a suitable climate. For example, Arctic terns. And when these birds get infected with influenza A, they carry these viruses. When the domesticated birds like ducks, chicken, and turkeys come in contact with the saliva and feces of infected migratory and aquatic birds, they become sick. Now the next point is what are the symptoms of bird flu? Fever, cough, sore throat, headache, muscle pain, diarrhea. Symptoms often progress to severe problem, pneumonia and ARDS. We should know who have greater chances for being infected from bird flu. People working in poultry farms and their family members. Travelers visiting the affected areas. People who eat undercooked poultry products. Traders carrying poultry to the market. A healthcare worker caring for infected patient. Now the next question is, can bird flu affect humans too? Humans may get bird flu from contact with infected birds or their infected droppings. It can also spread when the virus in the air or dust is inhaled by a person. It is uncommon to be transmitted human to human. Now the next question is, how can we prevent from bird flu? Avoiding exposure whenever possible to birds and their feces, meat market, poultry farms. Cooking the poultry products properly. Wash hands regularly. Visiting your doctor if you see any other signs or you have any doubt. Did you know one thing about this virus? The first case of H5N1 was detected in Hong Kong in the year 1997. H5N1 was the first avian influenza virus to infect humans. So friends, this is the end of this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you.